Shreem Brzee Official is hosting a full moon gathering on October 8th. In our way of sharing the full moon blessings with everyone, we're going to talk about 3 different techniques on how you can accelerate or utilize the full moon energy. One is going to be the mantra multiplier. What the heck is that? Come and find out. The next is the password to the goddess. And the third is knowing what timings to really tap in and hone in on the goddess. So you may know the general ones. We're going to go one layer deeper into what times of the day you should really be tapping into the goddess. So we hope that you'll join us for our full moon gathering on October 8th on the Shreem Brzee Official YouTube and Facebook. Of course, make sure you're liking and subscribing to all of our channels, because now Shreem Brzee Official is even on Pinterest, TikTok, and Twitter. So make sure you're following us on all areas. We'll see you soon.